I just got in this Olympic style barbell, and this weighs 45 pounds, and it's gonna actually have bearings on the actual sides here. So when the weights spin around, it's gonna cause less friction and sound and work perfectly. As you can see here, my squat rack is red and black. So I love that the fact that this is red powder coat on the inside, black on the outside, but let's go ahead and take a closer look. We have a diamond texture going all the way throughout. It's gonna give you a ton of grip when you're doing deadlifts, squatting, or bench pressing. And we even have the markings for both of that here. Gonna be nice and smooth on the middle section, and on the end here this is going to be sealed and super smooth bearings. This is going to be the 7-foot long one, and it supports 1,500 pounds. See how well they fit. Really nice. Put my locks on. That's a really nice snug fit, and you can see that I can spin these weights very smooth, and that's nice because that's gonna keep you well balanced and just be perfect. So I can put my hands in the rings really easily. With the diamond texture, it feels super grippy, and then just do a nice squat. And then as I'm rotating my wrists backwards here to kind of roll on my back a little bit, I can see that the bearings are doing really well to keep these in place. Feels really nice. No bending or anything in here. This is gonna be super sturdy. Obviously that wasn't a ton of weight. It just looks really good. Definitely a really good choice. Highly recommend this barbell if you're gonna be using for deadlifting, squatting, bench pressing. This thing is awesome. It's Olympic style. The bearings are super smooth, which is honestly my favorite part. It just spins so nice, less friction, super quiet, just makes it a lot easier when you're lifting your weights. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.